Hi everyone, my technology tool write-up for this week is going to be on ConceptBoard. ConceptBoard is an online visual collaboration platform for teams and organizations. You're able to discuss, present, and develop products and services online. The ConceptBoard we'll be using is for coordinators or facilitators. It allows for everyone on the team to be on the same page, allows for shared workspace, and you're able to view all updates at a glance. Allows for fast feedback, and you're able to integrate your workflow along with Google Drive as well. So I'm going to start the presentation with a quick tutorial that's online on conceptboard.com. And then we'll get into it further with other tools that you're able to use with ConceptBoard, such as how it's allowed for flexible workspace for teams. You're able to collaborate in real time, which I mentioned. Allows for streamlined project management and for the centralized content exchange. So let's get started. It first says you can drag and drop an image from your computer onto the board. This could be either a picture or an article or a file that you have saved on your computer in Word. So I'm going to start with the picture. It's just simple picture of my dog when he was a puppy. We'll start with this one. So the first step is completed. Now it says you can continue on to the next step, or if we like, we can watch a short video on other ways to import content, such as directly from the web. So let's watch this short video, and then I'll go along with the step-by-step on how to import content directly from the web.
Hi everyone, and welcome to a new ConceptBoard guide on how to import your content into a board. First, I'll show you how you can drag and drop documents into a board from the desktop or from the web. Then, I'll cover some ways you can copy and paste content, either via the clipboard, if you're a Chrome browser user, or from another board. And finally, I'll show you how you can upload content via the Insert tab. If you'd like to see how to add content from Google Drive or directly from email, check out the rest of our tutorial videos in the ConceptBoard knowledge base. The easiest way you can add files is to simply drag them in from the desktop. You can do this with a variety of files, such as JPEGs, PDFs, and Word documents.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and drag a file from my desktop. I have another tab open that is with ConceptBoard, and this is going to be an article that we read last semester in our organizational psychology class. And there it is, there's the article.
You can do the same thing with content from the web. Simply drag it into the board. And the best part,
let's drag a file from the web as well. And there it is
that you can download any files you've added to a board via the board's downloads menu. If you're a pro user, you can also download the entire board, either as a PDF or JPEG. Next, if you're using the Google Chrome browser, there are several ways you can use the clipboard to add content. Let's say you'd like to add text from the web. Simply select it, copy it using Command-C, and paste it via Command-V onto a board to automatically add the text as a sticky note.
Let's go ahead and do that.
Note. You can do the same thing with text from documents on your desktop.
I'm going to do that as well.
Also, you can copy image selections directly from Photoshop into your board. Any copied screenshot or selection can then be downloaded later via the Downloads menu.
I'm going to skip that step. It seems fairly easy, and I'm just going to skip it for now, but it says you can copy files from Photoshop, which seems easy to just cut and paste and paste it onto the concept board.
If you use a lot of screenshots, you'll be happy to know you can use shortcut keys to copy screenshots directly into your board. On a PC, you can use print screen, or on a Mac, you can use Control-Shift-Command-3 to take a full screen screenshot and press Command-V to paste it into a board. Just grab the bars on the selection outline to crop it, and don't worry about making a mistake, you can always adjust it later.
Let's do that.
If you're a Mac user, you can also use Control-Shift-Command-4 to select only part of your screen.
We'll do that. And it pasted it.
Those are some great options, but let's say you created something in another board. You can always duplicate the board from the board settings menu, but you can also copy and paste across boards. Simply zoom out, press S on your keyboard to switch to select mode, select your content, copy, and paste it into your second board.
Okay, let's
Make
do
sure
that. Copy. And let's paste it on here. And there, I was able to paste from one board to the next.
you have the boards open in the same browser, and be aware that if there's any content that needs to be available for later download, copying it across boards does not add it to the Downloads menu of the second board. Finally, you can use the Insert tab to add content. Simply click on the Insert tab and choose Upload a Document, select, and click OK. You can also use the Screenshot applet. Mac users, please make sure to use Safari if you'd like to use the Screenshot applet.
That last step seems fairly easy, so I'm going to go ahead and skip it.
As Chrome for Macs does not support Java applets. Click Insert New Screenshot and click OK when the app asks for permission to run. Position the window and click to take a screenshot. It will add it directly into your board. Thanks for watching, and check out our ConceptBoard knowledge base for more great tutorials and articles.
Okay, I'm going to continue on with the demonstration. Next step, switch to review, choose the scribble tool and circle something. So switch to review, scribble, I'll leave it as red, and then circle something. I'm going to circle my dog's head. You can also change the pen's color, width, or style, play around with these options, or proceed to the next step. Let's change it to pink. And we'll use 9 point, and I'll circle his foot. Okay, next step. And you scroll around the board by holding space and dragging the board with the mouse. So left, up, right, down. I'm holding space the whole time. You could zoom by pressing Shift and using the mouse. So I'm holding space, zooming out, zooming in, zooming out, and you could always bring it to fit or to 100%. I'm going to bring it to 100%. It's a little big, 75, 50. That looks good. And here's a quick look at other shortcuts that we can use, such as S, which was to select on the previous video that we were watching. Zoom is Z, P is for pen, X is for highlighter when you want to highlight something in a document. And these are other options, rectangle, line for when you want to comment or maybe a headline for a document. And here are some other actions and element actions. They're fairly easy to use, and it won't be difficult to get a good understanding of them. Let's go to the next step. So when working with documents, you can click on New Comment, and you can leave a comment on an article that you're working on or a PDF file, a Word file. So let's click on New Comment. We're going to do it on this screen. Under Review, New Comment. And the step says, create a comment box by dragging the line and type in your feedback and click Save. So we'll do it under 4,000 years. And I could write anything. Hello, hi, bye. And click Save. And we'll do it on this one for the tutorial purposes. We'll click on Comment, dog, type in your feedback and click Save. Okay. Now the interactive character is responding to mine. I just answered your comment. As you have already been active in the comment, you'll now get an alert. Read more about alerts or continue to the next step. Alerts are alerts which defines itself that you get on the board. So it says you will automatically receive alerts when someone mentions you. So I can reply to him or reply to myself, since I'm the only other member on this team, @Jonathan. Hi, save. Now I have an alert here. Jonathan Martinez mentioned you 7 seconds from now. Hi. So if you're working with the team, you can leave a comment directly or specifically for somebody, and they'll get it automatically on their board. Let's go to the next step. And as I said, I just created an @mention for you and marked the comment as an open task. Now you're assigned this task. Read more about @mentions and task assignments or continue to the final step. So I am tasked with this. Reply my comment. Select it, click reply, and respond to my question. Interesting point. I agree. Save. Mark the task is done. Now I've been tasked with this assignment. So overall, ConceptBoard seems fairly easy to use. There's still a little bit more I want to know about it, but for now, this is the general understanding of what I have of it. And I know I'm able to access more features of ConceptBoard if I subscribe for a membership. I haven't decided if I want to subscribe for a monthly membership. It's about $9 a month. But for now, it seems very useful and efficient for collaborating online with teams when you're not there to meet with them in person. And you're also able to assign people assignments and know specifically what you want them to work on or what they want you to work on. And that's it. That's the end of my presentation.